In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix the DocuSign error that says not all tags are signed. This is a very common issue that pops up when you're trying to complete and submit a document, and DocuSign won't let you finish because it thinks something is missing. The good news is that this is usually very easy to fix once you know what to look for. I'll walk you through it step by step so you can resolve it quickly and get your document sent without any more frustration. And if this video helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple software tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. The first thing you want to do when you see the "Not all tags are signed" error is click the Next button inside DocuSign. The Next button is designed to automatically take you to any required fields that haven't been completed. Instead of manually scanning the entire document right away, let DocuSign guide you. Once you click Next, it should jump directly to the first missing required field. Fill it out carefully, whether it's a signature, initials, date, or text field. After completing it, click Next again to move to the next required tag. Keep doing this until DocuSign stops prompting you. If you're still seeing the error after using the Next button, the second step is to scroll through all pages of the document manually. Sometimes required fields can be placed in less obvious spots, such as at the bottom of a long page or on an additional attachment page. Slowly scroll from the very first page all the way to the last page. Look for any fields highlighted in yellow or marked as required. These are usually the fields that must be completed before submission. Take your time here, because even one small missed field can trigger the error. Next, check specifically for required checkboxes. This is one of the most common reasons people get this error. Many DocuSign documents include small checkboxes that confirm agreement to certain terms. These can be easy to overlook, especially if they're placed near paragraphs of text. If a checkbox is required and not selected, DocuSign will not allow you to finish. Carefully review each section and make sure any required checkbox is properly selected. Once checked, the system should recognize it immediately. Another important step is to make sure you are the correct recipient assigned to those tags. In some cases, documents are sent to multiple people, and certain fields are assigned to specific recipients. If you're trying to complete a field that isn't assigned to you, or if a required field is assigned to someone else, you won't be able to fix it yourself. Double-check the recipient name at the top of the document and confirm that you are logged in with the correct email address. If the missing tag belongs to another signer, they will need to complete their portion before the document can be finalized. If everything appears filled out, but DocuSign still says not all tags are signed, try refreshing the page. Occasionally, the browser may not properly detect your input due to a temporary glitch or slow internet connection. Refresh the document, log back in if necessary, and review the fields again. In some cases, you may need to re-enter a signature or recheck a box so the system properly registers it. This quick refresh step often resolves detection issues. After going through these steps, you should be able to submit your document without seeing the error message again. Most of the time, the issue comes down to a small missed field, an unchecked box, or a recipient assignment mismatch. By using the Next button, scrolling carefully, checking all required boxes, confirming your recipient status, and refreshing if needed, you can fix this problem in just a few minutes. And that's how you fix the DocuSign error, "Not all tags are signed." If this tutorial helped you, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more quick and easy DocuSign and software guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.